Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share your flavors of the month for March 2026. So our flavors of the month comes out every month and includes pattern paper, cardstock, and embellishments for 4 brand new collections. We also have add-ons so that you can add more cardstock, pattern paper, or add-ons to it. We also have the Shots of Life, which coordinates and can give you more pattern paper and embellishments as well. Along with your kit, you'll receive a sample of gourmet coffee, so you can brew that up and create right along with our design team. When you download your 4 free recipe cards, so these are for double page layouts that our design team designs for you with their cutting assembly instructions and a full color photograph of the finished layout. As a subscriber, you'll also receive access to a free exclusive cut file. These are designed by Cut to You, specifically for the Scrap Room members. So this month is this awesome cut file with the Polaroid frame and the bow and the banner, along with the title Celebrate. Then we have all kinds of challenges going over on the Facebook group where you can download a sketch each month, see how the design team works with it, the Freaky Fast Friday. We just have it all going on, so be sure to join us over there and join in on the fun. So this month our 4 collections are Whispering Way from 49 and Market, Lucky Me by Doodlebug, Party Animal by Echo Park, and In Full Bloom by Echo Park as well. So you can see we are ready for spring, and then we have a fun little birthday collection for our little puppies. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at everything you're going to get in this month's kit. Our first collection we're going to look at is Whispering Way from 49 and Market. We're going to start with 2 sheets of natural cardstock, our pattern paper. This paper is Sunshine Days, and all of these are going to have that 49 and Market background page ready to go. Add some embellishments, add a photo, add some journaling. Super gorgeous. It does all of the layering for you and the mixed media. Super fun. The back is another one that could be used as background. This pink and white ticking print with the chicken wire and the florals. It's just gorgeous. And then we have this one in the blue and white ticking material, sunflowers. This is called Country Living. The back is a wood grain. Here is another one. We have, the whitewashed fencing boards. We have brick. We have chicken wire. We have the ticking material. More brick here. Sunflowers, the wheat. I love these colors. I just love everything about this collection. And the back is this geometric print. It's kind of like blocks. It looks like the little tiles that you can do. Super cute. All have full branding strips of the different colors of gingham. For your embellishments, you're going to get one of the sheets of the laser cut. So this is the one I got with the flowers, some little wheat, and I love this rope. Isn't that gorgeous? It's going to be so fun to put on a page. So that is Whispering Way by 49 and Market. Our next collection is Lucky Me by Doodlebug, and this is just such a fun spring collection. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one, My Lucky Charm. Whoops, something just flipped an embellishment off. And a 2-tone bright pink polka dot. And we have this fun plaid design. This is St. Patty's plaid. The back is the cut apart, so we have some border strips and tags and then 4x4 cards. This paper called Clover Patch, which is a floral on the green with clovers in there. And the back is a polka dot in all of the colors of this collection. So you can see how bright and fun this is. For your embellishments, you're going to get about a 1/5 pack of all the things that die cuts, so your embellishments will vary. You're also going to get a row of the mini jewels. So these are the ones that I received. You can see you get a ton of embellishments to play with, lots of little titles and icons. So that is Lucky Me from Doodlebug Design. Our next collection is Party Animal by Echo Park, and this is just a really fun collection all around puppies and birthdays. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. We have this banner, Happy Birthday. The back is a tone-on-tone yellow star print. That paper is called Birthday Garlands. And then we have cupcakes. And the back is a tone-on-tone green stripe, and that paper is called Cupcakes and Confetti. We have balloons. And the back is a confetti tone-on-tone pink. That paper is called Party Balloons. One more look at your pattern paper. Your embellishments, everyone will receive the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a large scalloped green border, a row of candles. I love all of the little doggy icons. And even if you don't have a dog that you're going to scrapbook its birthday, you could scrapbook just anyone's birthday with these. It's just a really fun, whimsical collection. So that is Party Animal by Echo Park. Our final collection is In Full Bloom by Echo Park. You're going to start with 2 sheets of parakeet, and remember, because of supply and how early I film, the name may change on the cardstock, but you will receive some green cardstock. Starting with this floral patterned paper, gorgeous colors. I love the blue and yellow and pink together. The back is a tone-on-tone blue print. That paper is called Full Bloom Floral. We have the umbrellas in all of the different colors. The back is a tone-on-tone green little leaf print, and that paper is called Hello Spring Umbrellas. We have this floral print that's a diagonal stripe kind of design. It's super fun. The back is a tone-on-tone pink polka dot, and that paper is called Market Flowers. So one more look at all of the gorgeousness. For your embellishments, you're going to get a row of the enamel dots, so all of your embellishments will vary. I got the pink ones. And then you're going to get a third a pack of the ephemera pieces. So these are the ones that I received as well. You'll get something very similar. So that is In Full Bloom by Echo Park. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Don't forget to check out the 3 add-ons as well as the Shots of Life kit if you want more product to go and make this even a bigger kit. Join us on the Facebook group and the blog. Check out all the challenges we have. Download the free sketches and the Freaky Fast Friday. We want to thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.